Hi, this is John with WTI. And since I was a kid, I've always been a fan of watches. My dad used to tell me that a man should always wear a watch, but it's not only that, there's different occasions to wear watches. And this is where this Brigada watch, minimalistic watch, comes into place. And some of the main things that I like the most about this watch is just the looks. Nice strap, nice color. It gives you this casual situations for a lot of outfits. And I've gathered a lot of compliments from this watch. Like, where did you buy it? It's a really nice one. And I'm a big fan of minimalism already. But the 10 strap, the minimalistic bezel, and I already have this watch for already years and years, and it stays the same. The quality, the whole build shape. I'm a clumsy person, so I'll be dropping things up or smashing things, and it stays really nice condition. So it's a win-win situation for me. So this was John with Dali TI, and that was my point of view.